Parliament had last week passed 3 devolution bills just before the deadline for their passage lapsed and forwarded them to President Kibaki for assent. The bills passed by the August House are the Transition to Devolved Government Bill 2012, the Intergovernmental Relations Bill 2012, and the County Governments Bill 2012. The President has, however, put pen to paper on 2 of the bills and declined to assent to the County Governments Bill 2012 that was extensively amended on the floor of the House before it was passed. The President, while declining to assent to the bill, said it infringed on the provisions of the Constitution which require that the national and county governments shall be distinct. He pointed out that the bill, if passed into law, would transfer functions and officers of the national government to the county government. Another reason cited by the President was that the County Governments Bill 2012, as forwarded to him, had deprived the national government of its constitutional mandate to restructure the provincial administration within a period of 5 years to accord with and reflect the devolved government. The fate of the provincial administrators, among them chiefs, district officers, district commissioners and provincial commissioners, was a major campaign item prior to and during the 2010 referendum, with the government assuring them that they would not be rendered jobless and would be retained as the eyes and ears of the central government in the county governments. Kibaki also faulted the County Governments Bill 2012 for contravening the Constitution by seeking to transfer security functions of the national government to the county government. The bill, rejected by the President, will be returned to the House for members of Parliament to deliberate on his views before resubmitting it to the head of state for assent. In the meantime, the United Republican Party (URP) has disclosed that it would pursue a constitutional amendment of the public finance chapter to boost revenues that will be allocated to the county government. Article 203, Sub-Article 2 of the Constitution provides that at least 15% of the national revenue shall be allocated to the devolved governments.
The functions of the county government vis-a-vis the resources allocated, which is not less than 15% of the national revenue, does not match. We will ask an amendment to that so that this at least 15% can be moved to between 20 to 30%.
Haiwezekani kila kitu kitakuwa kiko kwa county na tutegemee ile 15%.
For such an amendment to pass, it would have to be supported by at least 2/3 of the members of the National Assembly, or at least 148 members of Parliament. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Live at 9.